We got us a 2020 Dodge Charger 392 Hemi Scat Pack. What a mouthful. But you know what? Well worth it, because these cars are beautiful and loud and proud and fast. And he said he's gonna go beast mode. So we're gonna find out. It's only got 815 miles on it. There's the stock converters. Then 2.5-inch pipe into a 2.5-inch Y pipe. I'm not Y pipe, sorry guys. X pipe. Then he brought his own DYNOMAX race bullets because he's been watching our channel and that's the sound he liked. Then we connected the DYNOMAX race bullets, 24-250. Link in the description if you guys want them. Then 3-inch pipe into his 2.5, all the way back, and we left the rear resonators on it, or mufflers. Everybody calls them different. Into his 4-inch tips, right there, and right there. One, two, three. Oh, go ahead. Much better. 118. Again. Again. It peaked at 118. I like it. Do you like it? You guys, I wish I could show you his smile. But we can't because it has a mask on. He's very happy. The door's open. Cannot beat those race bullets. They sound so good on these. Again. Look. Let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Charger Scat Pack Beast of a car. I never get sick of these. They always sound so good. Look good and sound good. Look at that. Beautiful. Perfect set of wheels on it. They really did something. All right.